Me,
Me answer.
my button inside. Beneath my
You're
flight,
the wings.
or the wind, beneath my flight, seem be me, my button inside. Today pledge, noon midnight, Excel let's view, my button inside.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
You open up your eyes. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am. Good
Yeah,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Sangeet.
morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
My good
Yeah,
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. Okay. Can you sing if you have candy noise? Yes, ready? Come on, stand up, all of you. No eating, no drinking, nothing. Come on, stand up. Keep it aside. Okay? Stand up. If you're happy. Yes, Manukshita. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, what you should say?
Love you.
If you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, I love you too, children. Okay? Next time. Next time. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much, children. I love you to all. Next is the roly poly rhyme. Ready? Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, fat, fat, fat. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, open, open, open. Roly poly, close, close, close. Roly poly, slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly, fast, 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 fast. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, and then another rhyme. Another rhyme. What shall we sing? Your choice. What shall we sing? Doctor Rhyme. Miss Polia. Okay.
Yes,
Miss
Miss
Polly had
Polly.
a dolly that was sick, sick, sick. So she called up the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came along with his bag and hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He told Miss Polly put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, 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 and was back next morning for his bill, bill, bill. Okay? Oh, look, there's a rainbow, it's so violet. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next, and there's orange too. Finally, there's red, and the rainbow spread. Okay, next time. Next time.
Okay.
I can't hear anyone. Anyone.
Very loudly tell.
Yes, no, there's
Rocket,
rocket, rocket, going up in space. All the people
say goodbye.
rocket. Bye. Can you draw a big circle, round circle? Can you draw a
Big circle.
round as? No. Can you draw a small circle, round circle? Can you draw a small circle that goes as round as ring? Next time. One, two, three, four, five. Okay? Okay, next. Next what time? Okay, mute yourself, children. Janu, what time? Huh?
Out come the butterfly and useless.
Very good. Well done. Okay, next time. Done wins wish. All of you mute yourself first. First mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Everyone are going to sing right? According to your wish. Okay, whatever rhymes you want, you can sing. But mute yourself. One by one, I'm going to call you and you are going to sing. Okay, Darshika.
Ma'am, Rohit is crying, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to call one by one. She said rocket rhyme and I sang for her, no? Then why she is crying?
He asking butterfly rhyme, ma'am. That time.
Butterfly rhyme she can sing. I'm going to call her only.
Okay, Rohit, she crying, ma'am.
Okay, Rohita, sing. Come on. Rohita. Sing. What is there to cry?
Which rhyme you want? Ninnu pilustunar ma'am. Rohita,
one by one, and we can go, no, Rohita. You asked me to try. I will stand for you, no? Okay. Come on, sing butterfly rhyme, Rohita. Rohita. Okay. Okay, let her take some time. Okay, next is Darshika. What rhymes you are going to sing?
Under
Come on, fast. Sing
Under
fast.
a web, spider get spider answers lecture. Both inside said busy must be 6 black 4 lecture she.
Very good. Dhanvin.
Mummy, daddy, I love you. Love it, love it. Brother, they told me. I see the grand lost on to the grave. Then I get the diamond. You're so sweet. Give it.
Okay, well done. Devkrish. Devkrish.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing vegetable.
salad. Yeah, healthy to eat.
Well done. Vegetable rhyme. Okay. Next is diction.
Rocket, rocket, going up in space. His sweet white moon is we race. With all the people saying goodbye. Coach astronaut in this rocket time.
Very good. Okay. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz. Sing.
Batman.
Sing, ma.
Oh well, did it gone? Well, it will be. Yes, short and tail so long. Oh well, it gone down.
Very good. Over rhyme. Very good. Hashini. Ah.
Follow the rainbow, it's a violet. Where there is a indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next, then this orange too. Finally, the rainbow is red.
Very good. Well done, Hashini. Janavi.
All you the rainbow, it's so violet. Where there's the indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next, then the orange too. Finally, rainbow red.
Very good. Well done. Okay. Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan.
Drum from the garden and the sun from the field. By them and cook them, chop them with eat, put
Put
them
them in salad.
ready to eat.
Very good. Kavyani.
Rocket Rayman. Rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will rain. To all the people saying goodbye. Oh, the astronaut is rocket high.
Well done. Okay. Nightek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing.
First, Miss Polly have a dolly to be sick. She called up the doctor to be quick. The doctor came along with the bag and hat. He longed at the doctor door.
Door.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
Looked at the
He
dolly.
looked at the dolly and shook his head.
Told Miss Polly.
Told me
Straight to bed.
way too bad.
Wrote
He
on a
wrote
paper
on the
for
paper, pill.
back
Came
next
Miss
morning.
Bill.
Very good. Well done, Nightek. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nukshita. Any rhyme you can sing.
Rocket, going on this. With the white moon, windy days. All the people saying bye. Goodbye.
Goes the
Crossing astronauts in the sky.
very good. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing any rhyme.
Rocket, going up in space. it will white moon, it will race. Going to astronaut, it will race.
All the people
The
say
people say
goodbye.
goodbye.
Goes the astronaut
In
in
the
his
rocket high.
Hi. Okay. Next is Rohita.
Okay, Rohita, now. Chalo.
First comes the butterfly and the eggs. First comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar sings, it calls him in the noon.
Forms of creatures.
Hmm.
Okay, you carry. Sorry.
Out comes the
Out comes the pretty butterfly and the kiss.
okay. Very good. Thank you, Rohita. Ritwik.
Only one rhyme.
Only one time. Okay. Ritwik.
Okay, one name.
Come on, Ritwik. Huh?
Rocket, going up and speak.
Hmm. With the white moon.
It will race. All the people say goodbye. Oh, the astronaut, this is Pragatai.
Very good. Satvika. Satvika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Rhyme, ma.
Mommy, daddy, I love you. Love you too. Care for me too. Brother, sister, yes, Sunday. Sing and dance, lots of fun, all through the day. Grandpa, you're so sweet. You hug, you kiss when we wake.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth.
Just under a red spider get spider as her legs were 8. Body flies a busy bee. 6 bucks for the legs say he.
Very good. Well done. Next is Dharnika.
Miss Polly had a daddy that was sick. So she called up a doctor to be quick. The doctor came along with his bag and hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. He looked at her daddy and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put the shade to bed. He wrote down a paper for a pill. And that means money for a bill.
Very good. Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing.
Rocket, go up in space. It's the white moon, it's the red. All
All the people say.
the people saying, go stagnant.
In his rocket.
In this rocket,
Fine. Okay, very good. Next is Tilakar is absent. Vishank. Vivan, with you.
Vivan, sing your song. Yes.
okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, sing.
Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some pound and garden and some for the bee. And chop and they cook it to eat. Potato salad, they have to eat.
Very good, Zedi. Zedi is not there. Okay, we'll finish our attendance, children. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
David.
Yes.
Zedi, sing any rhymes, Zedi.
Okay, Miss Polly added that. Miss Polly added dolly. So she's called
Whatever rhyme you know, you can sing.
Mummy, Daddy, I love you. Cinderella,
You love me
you
too, love
love
me too, and care for
me.
me.
I want to.
Hmm.
Brother,
Brother,
sister,
sister,
Let's
let's all
let's
play,
all
sing and
dance,
dance.
laugh and run all
All
to
through
the
the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're
day.
so sweet.
So sweet.
Hmm.
And give you a hug
And
and
give you
you.
hugs
Give
and
you
give
a
you
hug
kisses when you need.
and
Okay, very good, Daddy. Okay. Dhanvin, attendance ma Dhanvin. Dikshan,
Yes, ma'am.
Parnas, Parnas. I'm marking you, Parnas. Hashni,
Here I am, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Janvi,
Here I am, ma'am.
Kartikeyan, Kartikeyan, Kavyani, Naitek.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, ma, Naitek.
Here
Nukita,
I am.
Nukita, Sanita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Rohita, Rohita, Ritvik,
Here I am, ma'am.
Nikila,
Here I am.
Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Yes.
Karnika,
Yes. Here I am, ma'am.
Tilakar,
ஒரு இடத்துல நீ உட்கார்ந்தே இல்ல சித்தார்த் நீ அட்டனன்ஸ் தெரியாதா
Vishank. Mute yourself, Siddharth. Vishank. Absent. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut. Zedi.
Ma'am.
Dakshana.
Ma'am, here I am.
Okay, ma. Okay, thank you so much, children. Shall we do the imaginary sheet? I want all of you to take your imaginary sheet and turn it back. First, we'll fill all this and then we'll see what is going on here. Okay? First, take this. Take your pencil. First, do you know the name of this dinosaur? Anyone? First, what is the name of this dinosaur? Anyone knows? Parasaurolophus. Okay? The name of the dinosaur, you are going to write it here. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. It's given here itself on top. I'll write it in there. P-H-U-S. It's a big name. Write properly in each box. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. If you want, you can look at the screen and write, or else it's given in your sheet itself. That also you can see and write.
Not finished. This is rhinoceros.
இல்ல டைனோசரஸ்
Finished everyone? Once you finish the first question, thumbs up.
Ma'am, this is.
Very good. Ritvik, Siddharth,
I finished, ma'am.
Nithila finish, Dhanvin finish, Satvik also finish, huh?
Finished, ma'am.
Nithila finish, Naitik finish, finish. Okay. Now the next question is, Pranita, please mute yourself, Pranita. Unless I call you, you should not unmute yourself. Please, it's a humble request, Pranita. Whenever I call you, you can answer. Otherwise, please mute yourself, turn on your TV and write the first question. If you have finished it, just show it or thumbs up. That's enough. When you are unnecessarily unmuting yourself, I'm not able to hear others what they are saying. So please, whenever it is necessary, you unmute yourself and say children, okay? Next question is, Parasaurolophus gets their name from the dash on their head. When you turn it back and see, you can see a creed here. Can you see everyone? This is called a creed. Sorry, crest. Sorry. It's a crest. So you are going to write the name crest here. C-R-E-S-T, crest. Satvika, mute yourself. E-S-T. Crest.
I finished.
Finish. C-R-E-S-T, crest. C-R-E-S-T. Still, who is writing? Everyone finished? Your writing speed must increase, children. Try to write fast. Okay, the next question, third one is Parasaurolophus were herbivores. Herbivores means they are plant eaters. Carnivorous means they will eat other animals as their food. Okay. Parasaurolophus were herbivorous, which means they ate dash and grass. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants.
Finished, ma'am. Pill and plant. Pill and plant.
Fourth one, Parasaurolophus could walk on 2 legs as well as 4 legs. You can see in the picture. Here they have 2 legs and here also they have. So totally they have 4 legs. And they can even walk with these 2 legs and all the 4 legs also. So the answer is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Ashley. Now take your mobile, open your Imagine app.
ఓకే అడుగు మ్యామ్ మీరు అదండి అడుగు మ్యామ్ అడుగు
Ma'am, I'm not finished yet.
Mama, can you show the board at once, ma'am? The last word.
Finished yet.
Answer, sir.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
4. I thought you know the spelling for 4.
No, ma'am.
FOUR4.
తను చూసి రాస్తుంది మ్యామ్ మీరు
Okay,
చూపించింది.
very good. Thank you so much, Rohita, mom. Good girl, Rohita. You're listening to ma'am. Very good. High five, Rohita. Very good. Finished all of you? Everyone? Now take your mobile, open your imaginary app, and then scan it. You want me to show it, or you yourself will scan it, parents? Want me to show?
Ma'am,
Yes?
so how we need to do these things, because last time we were not present.
Yeah, I'm showing you how to do.
Okay.
Imaginary app you have downloaded.
Yes.
Open the Imaginary app.
Okay.
When you open it, you will get a coloring sheet, or what do you want, a game, it will ask like that. Then you have to go to the coloring sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
And then click the picture which we did now, Parasaurolophus.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
And then you have to fix it to the screen inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you fix it, it becomes green in color.
Okay.
Now you can see the picture moving.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
See children, now it's running. Can you see it running? Again. It's running with all the 4 legs also. Can you see? But while it was standing with 2 legs. See here? It is standing with its 2 legs, right? But while running, it is using all its 4 legs. Right? And now shall we see the attack of it? See how it's attacking? Can you all see it? Can you see it's running around the tree, and it is running with 4 legs, and then while attacking, you see it has 2 legs for attacking, and you can see the crest on its head. Okay? So ma'am is going to come back. Yeah, everyone did it. Did you all see it? Nice?
Yes, ma'am.
Parasaurolophus. Hashni's dad, did you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice, Hashni?
Yeah. Right.
Okay. And then you have games also in it. You can play games also in it. Okay? Okay. Now today's our imaginary activity is over. Now I want you to take your English notebook. Come on, time up. Take your English notebook. And the heading, what we are going to do is find the ending sound of the word. First we did the initial sound day before yesterday, right? Today we are going to find the ending sound. Okay? For example, I am going to show you. For example, children, if I am giving you a picture like this, what is it?
What is it?
Like this it should be. Come on, write number 1. Parents, write the heading and give it to them. Find the ending sound of the word. And then the first one is this. Number 1.
You want to write the want to draw the question for them, or they will do, na?
If they can draw, they can draw. They are able
Okay.
to draw, let them do it. Or else if they are finding it difficult, they can draw.
Okay.
Or else they just wanted to write only the spelling looking at the picture in the screen, they can do that also. But when they draw, they will feel it easy to identify everything.
Okay, ma'am.
And it is going to be interesting also. That's why. Children, those are able to draw, you can draw it on your own. I know many of you are willing to draw, you can draw. Those are feeling it very difficult to draw, you can get help from your parents. Don't see the thing of trying. Okay? You should try to draw. Finish first one. Siddharth, finish. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, shall we move on to the second one?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next picture is second one. Find out what will be the ending sound and then you have to write it. Finish. Take your own time, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish a Dev Krish. Please don't help them in the middle. Let them do it fully. And then at last, while correcting, you have to correct them. This will not be the answer. This is the right answer. Don't interrupt them in middle. Then only you will know how far they know the phonic sounds. In between, when you correct them, they will not know that. If they do it wrongly also, it's okay. Let them identify on their own. Third one. Only drawing help should be done, parents. Please let them identify the sound and write. Only the drawing part you can help them. Recently, I'm telling this again and again. Why? Because when they go back to school next year, you're not going to be there to help them. So please let them think and do. Even if it is wrong, also let them accept it. Again, we can do it the correction. No issues in that. So in between, don't correct them. If you are helping for their drawing, it's well and good. But don't help them to write the phonic sound. Let them think and then react. If it is wrong, also nothing, children. Nobody is going to tell you anything. It happens. No issues. We'll do the correction later. Okay? So don't worry. Zeddy, are you writing or not, Zeddy? Why are you playing with the chair?
Yes.
Are you writing?
Yes.
Finished?
No, ma'am.
What? No, ma'am. Everyone is writing. No, look at others.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Come on, write. I thought Zeddy is a very good girl. You think I am not looking at you? I can see everyone.
right,
What all you
ma'am.
are doing, I can see everyone. Come on, write.
Ma.
How many have you written, children? 2 or 3? Yes?
Three, ma'am.
3.
Three.
Okay, next. The fourth one. Fourth one. Number 4.
Good.
Fourth and Pranika, mute yourself. Zeddy. Likho, Zeddy. Come on. When will you learn the phonics if you are sitting like this? Come on. Likho. Finished? Ending. Okay. Fifth one.
Ma'am, finish.
Siddharth, Zadi, Nukshita, Rishank and Darshika. Please submit your milestones. Please courier it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Please kindly courier it by this week because we need it. We have to fill it down. Okay? So please, once again, I tell you the name Siddharth, Zadi, Nukshita, Rishank, Darshika.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please courier it. If you are not here, you are in hometown. If you are here, please come and submit it in our school. Just write the name and send it. That's it. You need not fill anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah, finished, children. Now get it corrected.
Ma'am, only 5 words. Ma'am, only 5 words.
It what, ma?
Ma'am, only 5 words.
What?
ఓన్లీ 5 వర్డ్స్ అని అంటుంది మ్యామ్.
5 words only. Okay? Only 5 words. Now get it corrected. Those who get all 5 marks, get your cupcake.
I don't know, ma'am. Cake.
I told your parents to make cupcakes, no? Come on, get your cupcakes.
I don't know, ma'am.
You didn't do.
I don't know.
Otherwise, you
I don't
ask your mama to
know.
draw. Ask your mama to draw. Draw and color it, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good,
Yeah,
Darshika.
ma'am. Drawing, ma'am.
Stick it in your notebook. How many marks did you get? Yes, one by one. Now I'm going to ask you, and you're going to show me your notebook also. Darshika, show me your notebook. Darshika, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, JD don't know feel ending was sound, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
She telling
it.
I don't.
See, when I'm telling her to write, she's playing.
Yeah,
And how will
yeah,
she
ma'am.
learn? Zeddy,
Yeah, ma'am.
if you're doing like this, how
And
will
she will tell. She is saying I don't know, ma'am.
Why? First, what is the first picture? Ant. What is the ending sound? Ant. T. T means what letter you will write?
Means.
T means what you will write?
Means.
Huh?
Means.
She said ta means
Ta means.
ta means
Ta means.
what letter?
Make a letter.
Make a letter.
Make a letter. C.
C. T means you write C. T means when you write C, who told? When I watch the tennis game. That one. The first picture is ant, right? Children, check it, children. A and dash. First is ant.
Look at the screen.
What was the second picture?
देखो देखो क्या लिखी है last
Bat.
Ending sound is t again. Bat. Again, you're going to write T. Bat.
again.
Third one is car. 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 R means R. Car. What was the fourth one? Hat. H-A dash. Hat. T is the last sound. So you'll write T. Hat. And the fifth one is pan. N means you'll write N. Pan. Yes. How many of you did it correctly? And how many of you have done wrong? All of you got 5 marks, huh? 5 out of 5.
Yes, ma'am. Chappu.
I think.
Hey,
Yes,
Nikka.
ma'am.
Very good.
Okay.
Janu also, huh?
Full. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranita. Well done, Pranita. Very good, Janavi. Very good, Rohita. You got full marks. Dev Krish, good. Siddharth, you would have got full marks. I know. Danvin also. Karthikeyan. Charnika also would have got full marks. Karthikeyan.
Full mark, ma'am.
Then 2 cupcakes. One for me, one for you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, next. Ashni, how much did you get?
I'm fine.
Ashni, 5. Well done. Very good, Ashni. Next, Kavyani.
4 mark.
Kavyani. See, all of you are selfish. Only one cupcake. But Karthikeyan gave me another cupcake. Kavyani, how much did you get?
4, ma'am.
How much marks did you get, Ma?
4.
4. Okay. Do the correction afterwards, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Kavyani. Very genuine answer. Thank you so much, Kavyani. Very good, Pranita. Okay, next is who else? Siddharth, finish. Vivan, how much did you get? Nitila?
Nitila, full mark.
Yes? Nitila, full mark. Very good,
Yes,
Nitila.
ma'am.
Vivan?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vivan also was good.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, very good. Now, who is ready for story?
Finish.
Yeah, very good, Raita.
Okay, Sudha.
Who is ready for story today? Daddy, are you ready? Very good. Zeddy, are you ready for the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, start your story.
Okay.
Very good, children. All of you have done your test very well. Well done. Okay, now listen to the story. Close your notebooks. Listen to the story.
What? What?
Zeddy,
Yes, ma'am. Stories.
It's visible, ma'am.
yeah, visible.
Start. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jenny. Drink what? Thirsty crow. What's a day? Who is very thirsty? Crow was very thirsty. If you miss, you will search with search of water.
He did not get water.
He did not get water.
He was going to
He was going to
die for water.
apple or water. Oh my God.
I'm feeling so thirsty.
I'm feeling so thirsty.
At last,
At last,
he
saw a teacher. It wants
flew to
you
eat.
to eat.
The water was
Water was
so low
so low that the
crow
crow
could not drink water.
not drink water. They
He tried to the pitcher.
tried to
Crow Go try to
break the pigeon.
break the teacher. Overturn the teacher.
He fell.
He fell.
There was
There was
very little water.
very little water. Water teacher looked around, saw some pebbles. Yes, pebbles. And by one, water teacher. What's that? Helicopter teacher. Huh? The crow drank water and flew away. Moral of the story. Well, where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you. Very good, Daddy.
Ask me.
Super, Daddy. Very good.
My session one day. That is going to happen. Huh? She's going to host it one day. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you, Kavyani.
Okay, very good, Daddy. It was very nice. It's a Crow story. Well done. And where there is a will, there is a way. You have to try hard. That's why ma'am is also keeping on telling you, try hard, hard and hard. Okay? When you are asking help from others, it will not work for too long. But when you work hard and when you get the answer on your own, it's going to be permanent. Okay, children? So work hard, try it to your level best. Okay? So thanks for your cooperation, children. And then parents, Farnaz and Dikshan, Ritvik, you haven't sent your consent form? Farnaz,
Ritvik, today we will send, ma'am.
today, Dikshan also. Dikshan,
But I didn't receive any form, ma'am.
you didn't receive Dikshan's mom?
Sorry, ma'am.
The consent form you didn't receive?
No, ma'am, I didn't receive, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check with our consent head and I'll let you know. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And then you all have to send Ritvik, Dikshan, Lakshana and Vishank are absent. I'll tell them later. So all of you, those who have not sent, please send it today so as to be easy for us to see how much we can take for the extra admissions. Okay? So that only we are asking you to send it as quick as possible. Okay, parents? So those who have not sent, please send it by today. Okay? There is no. Okay. We'll check it. Dikshan's mom will check and tell you. Check your
Okay, ma'am.
WhatsApp whether it is sent or else check in your mail ID. It may be there or else we'll check again and we'll send you another one also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone.